Happy Thanksgiving, intelligent automation community. So, like many of you, Andrea, Clara, Addie, and I are traveling to spend the holiday with friends and family. And as we think about what we're thankful for in our personal lives over the holiday, I thought it might be appropriate to share some of the things that I'm thankful for in the intelligent automation space. So first off, I am thankful for my team at Reveal Group, which seems to thrive on this spirit of innovation to solve the most difficult challenges in the intelligent automation space. I'm thankful for the thought leaders and vendors in the intelligent automation space that can often disagree on the best way to drive scale, but still remain friends and can hang out over a beer. I'm thankful to have a shotgun mic just happen to be in this bag so I can make this video on a 5-hour drive. I am very thankful to see a lot more conference speakers who are able to share their journey to successful outcomes, and a lot fewer conference speakers who were invited just because they have a big title but no real-world practical experience.
Be thankful for a wife that puts up with you. Don't make a video on fire right now.
She's not very thankful to have a mic just shoved in her face while she's driving. I am thankful for a great intelligent automation community filled with folks like Ralph Diaz, who gives us a bit of humor every day, and Ian Barkin, who reminds us that this space will grow even faster once we get past the quick and easy sales pitch. I will tag some of my favorite content creators in the intelligent automation space down below, and I am sure they will be thankful for the opportunity to share their ideas with you. I'm thankful for Disney Plus, HBO, Apple TV, just about anything that can be downloaded on those iPads to keep the kids entertained on a 5-hour drive. Hey, Clara, what are you thankful for Thanksgiving?
The turkeys.
The turkeys?
Yeah.
The turkeys?
The turkeys. Is it going to be my turn?
Do you want it to be? You're kind of like a little out of view, but I think I can get it. So
Yeah, I really want to do it.
you're kind of out of view here, but what are you thankful for Thanksgiving?
Turkey.
It's 2 turkeys. 2 points for turkey. Finally, in a year of significant layoffs across the tech space, I'm thankful for all of you who have reached out to former colleagues in support and to help them land their next great adventure. Treya,
Yes.
aside from me leaving you alone and not shoving a microphone in your face while you're driving, what are you thankful for Thanksgiving?
I'm thankful for my family.
I'm thankful for the fact that you're professionally trained to put up with me. I guess finally, I'm thankful we're about to get off on our exit. So over to you. What are you thankful for this holiday season?